we'll go ahead and get started until the market closes. Good afternoon. This is Ifan from the Strategic Day Trader, and this is your market wrap for May 6th, 2019. Q's looking to close about 0.6%. SPY looking to close 0.4%. And the interesting thing is IWM, which was gapping down like the Q's and SPY, actually made it all the way back up to positive from Friday's close. So even though we had an initial gap down in the Q's and SPY, I'll show you where it is on the daily here. Gap down. Market was able to recover all day uptrend on the Q's and SPY to rally back up. So still going to be a little bit down since Friday's close, but pretty impressive rally. I would say still pretty impressive, even though coming into today we had a bullish bias. In other words, sell-offs are viable, and we will continue to keep that bias until until the market proves otherwise. And so hopefully you've been following the market bias and paying attention to what to look for, because I think there is a scenario in here for some traders to be left very frustrated by what we've been getting. Now, because we got this grind higher, very nice uptrend here in the Qs, that we knew that if we break a recent base or we get this little bit of a break, that we have to see follow through. Okay, next setup, if we get a weak retracement or we get a base near the lows, right, we can actually go to a bearish bias. But what happened? Okay, rally all the way back up to new highs. Now, we got this again, right? And so hopefully, even though we broke this bottoming tail, you learned how this market is trying to suck in shorts, right? The last of the shorts, or shake out the longs and force them to either get back in their position or cover their shorts. You see that? And then what happened? Another, right, rally back up to the highs, and then another break, right? And if you've been following the market wrap, we see this break of support. Okay, we can go to neutral, right? And we can anticipate or look for the next entry for a short, right? What happened? Market gapped up and then right back up to the highs. So I could see how this could be very frustrating for someone looking for these potential breaks of support as shorting opportunities, because you're basically just falling for a trap. And so hopefully today, you didn't fall for today's trap, which again broke this low by a little bit and then got bought. Okay, been kind of advising you and letting you know that that's been the case. And so hopefully you're not in that or be involved in that scenario and constantly getting trapped into it. Okay, so market back up into the consolidation that we've had near the highs going into tomorrow. Going to be still bullish. Okay, again, if we break today's low on the Qs and SPY, we'll have to wait for follow through and see if we actually get a setup. And that'll actually change the tone from what we've gotten for the last 4 or 5 weeks. Okay, so yeah, if you were in the room today, you saw longs worked pretty well. The calls on the BHC and the SYY both worked pretty well, right? And market was just in an uptrend all day. Now, what's good about this is actually that we should have some good shorts for tomorrow. I know this confirming the bullish bias, rally all day, might seem counterintuitive that we should look for shorts tomorrow, but that's exactly what I'll be doing. If we get a gap down on some of the major names who are reporting earnings, right, that's what I'm looking for, because we'll have shock value. We'll be if we're gapping underneath a wide range green bar. Now, I don't think the Qs and SPY will be doing that. Probably neutral to narrow body bar is what I would expect tomorrow in the Qs and SPY. Okay, because we had an all-day move today, wide range bar. Usually next day is a rest day, so we'll probably get narrow body bar. So we could go in tomorrow even neutral, but given what we got, given the larger time frames, right, we're still bullish. But what I'm going to be focused on tomorrow are the gap downs. Okay, gap downs that are clearing today's low and potentially into some kind of void. We don't know what they are. I guess there'll be some that are just reporting just now as the market closes here. Okay, but gap downs tomorrow are going to be the focus. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking at in the morning for the open. Which of the names reported earnings and are gapping down? Okay, I'm going to be looking those for some nice short opportunities, see if they set up some nice patterns, and that will be the plan for tomorrow. Okay, that will be the focus. The thing with the longs, if we get some nice gap ups, is they'll be coming from green bars. So likely a lot of the longs already got in today. Maybe they're looking to take profit, right? It'll be a harder thing to call tomorrow on the gap ups, whether they're going to get follow through tomorrow. But I think on the gap downs, the shock value should be pretty good. Okay, so that's what we focused on tomorrow. Neutral to bullish going into tomorrow on the Qs and SPY. Impressive recovery on the IWM. Okay, and like I said, I could just see how this scenario could frustrate a lot of traders looking to get short this market, looking to maybe do a quick swing or scalp on these, and just constantly getting sucked in and kicked back out. But as you know, if you've been following the market wrap, these traps we have not fallen for once. Okay. All right. So we'll see what the market gives us tomorrow. Pretty interesting gap down today, the market, and pretty interesting reaction. But we'll see what tomorrow brings, and I will talk to you then. All right. Have a great evening.